Welcome to this explainer on the most common digital threats you might face online. You've heard the names, but do you know what really separates these digital culprits? Okay, let's dive into this hidden world of malicious software. First, let's meet the boss. Malware. It's the umbrella term for any harmful program. While motivations vary, the vast majority of malware exists to make money illegally. First in our gallery is the virus, a threat that needs a host to survive. It lies dormant until you run an infected program, then it springs into action. Next up is the worm. Unlike a virus, this culprit doesn't need any help. Now, what's really interesting is this key difference. A worm spreads itself across networks automatically. Let's move to the Trojan, a master of disguise designed to trick you. And this brilliantly illustrates its danger. It looks safe, but it's letting the bad guys in. Closely related to the Trojan is spyware, which secretly watches everything you do. It quietly gathers your information, logging keystrokes to steal passwords and other private data. Finally, we have one of the most direct threats, ransomware, the digital kidnapper. It holds your PC and your precious files hostage, demanding a payment for their release. So, the crucial point is knowing how to protect yourself from this rogues gallery. These simple but powerful habits form the core of your digital defense. Now that you know the threats, you can take action to stay safe online.